So Huma-Iron is a deposit that is loaded up with humates and other things. Think of it as an area where plants grew and died and grew and died and grew and died for thousands of years, building up that black humus material that we know is one of the key components of really good soil. And then we take that material and add a couple of things to it. One is an iron that doesn't stain. Most fertilizers that contain iron, if you accidentally get any on your sidewalk and forget to sweep, you'll actually get rust spots, but not with Huma-Iron. And so with the humates and the iron and the sulfur, what we're able to do is use this product in the hottest part of the year when most other fertilizer products are almost impossible to use. So if you haven't run into that problem, if it's above 90 and you use any traditional lawn fertilizer product, if you accidentally overlap or accidentally use too much, maybe spill a little bit, something like that, you can actually kill the grass with the fertilizer you're trying to use to make it grow. And it's a simple matter of that fertilizer goes into the water around that plant, and when it's hot, the plant drinks a lot of water and therefore will burn itself. Huma-Iron doesn't have that problem, and so we recommend when the temperatures get too hot for your regular fertilizer, shift to Huma-Iron. The key is Huma-Iron wants to live together with good fertilizer program. So if you start off at the beginning of the season with your regular fertilizer, then shift to Huma-Iron when it's hot, then come back to your regular fertilizer, then both products will be more effective for you. People love Huma-Iron because you can use it when it's hot and they get deep green out of the grass, but there's not a lot of nitrogen that makes it grow. So you don't cause the having to get out there with the lawnmower a lot more often. You just get more of the green that we like to have. So it's a wonderful product, and if you're in Idaho or Utah, it's a local product, which is also kind of a cool feature.